Today we're doing state inspection for this Jeep Patriot. It was a very hard car to pass inspection because it has so many codes. And the way to fix all these problems to pass inspection, it was only one wire. One wire that gave us so much trouble. The computer was asking so many codes, give us so many codes to replace O2 sensors, to replace another items, but I'm gonna show you exactly what we did. You see that ground right there? Right underneath the power steering pump. That ground wire. Alright, cut it off and make all independent terminals, clean the stud really good and put it back on. That only ground, it controls a lot of stuff in this engine. Okay, so if you're getting all kind of crazy codes and you can't pass inspection, you should fix that ground wire first. And then, I don't know if you have one of these. It's a really cheap computer, economy computer. All you gotta do is plug it in, okay, and you push this button, and that's it. As long as this little green thing is on, it's ready to pass inspection. We did not replace any parts at all. All we did is fixing that ground. We didn't have to do oxygen sensor. We didn't have to do nothing. So now our next step, we're gonna go to the state inspection. After we fix that ground, we drove the car. I mean, not me, the customer did. I give it to them for maybe like a week. They drove to work every day driving. They brought it back today, a week later. So now I can take it to the state inspection. The car is ready to pass, as you can see. Windshield's good, no check engine light, no ABS light, no airbag, no nothing. So all the lights went away, everything is fixed just by one ground wire. So we live in Rhode Island. Rhode Island is a very nice place to live, except the winter. Winter is kind of heavy, but everything else is beautiful. So now we're gonna drive the Jeep. We're gonna go to the state inspection to get the sticker for 2 years, and that's it. We're really ready to roll. That's it. I guess I gotta put my seatbelt. Alright, I'm gonna continue as soon we get the sticker. Okay, bye bye. I'll be right back. Okay, and just like that, we have a new inspection for 2 years. One ground wire. You can fix all your problems with this Jeep Patriot. So if you have a Jeep Patriot, go fix that ground wire, drive it for 100 miles, and you should be ready to get your car inspected for 2 years. So we did a good today. I hope this video helped you. Bye bye.